Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and for today's video I'm going to teach you how I make this design and this effect in Photoshop. I already have the design over here completed. I'm just going to delete everything so I can explain it better to you. I just got a basic photo of the singer Post Malone, and what I did was put it right here, and I used this type of effect. I deleted the background. Let's just press over here, remove background, and basically the photo is gonna have no background, just like that. On the photo you can press there, and if you like, let's delete the mask since I'm not going to be using anything else. Delete it. So make it a smart object, and with control you can see that there's some sort of square over here on the photo. Let's press there. Let's go to select, color range, and just press on the areas that you want to pick. Over here I picked his face, and you can see this is all the areas that is gonna take. If I press OK, as you can see, I just press Ctrl J to duplicate that, and as you can see it right here. Let's press Ctrl and click again so we can see that square. Select color range and choose another area of his face. Ctrl J again, and you can see all of the details that is gonna start adding. One more time. Select color range. Maybe this area right here, like that. Again. And you're going to be playing around with all of those. Once I did that, I choose that area, and all of these areas, and this is what I want to use. After that, I added this texture over here. Let's name it texture main. As a habit, let's make it a group. Let's change it to effects maybe. Let's turn this one to yellow or red since it's the most important one. We got this text right here, and change it to linear dodge. So you can see, let's bring this to normal. I'm using this photo 1, and I change it to soft light. The second photo normal, that's the photo 2, and added this other photo. Let me unblock it. Let me bring the opacity all the way to 100. Let's go to normal, this photo. Let's hit undo. Photo number 3. I'm using a gradient map, which is this one right here. Let's delete the mask since I'm not going to be using it. If I press here, you can see all of the colors that I'm going to be using. If you want to choose this exact same one, you can just pause the video and try to match it as much as possible. Hit OK. I'm going to be using this, and after that I just added some textures. Let me this one and invert it so you can see over here the main texture. Let's bring it back to 100 so you can see the original one. These textures, you can find them on AAA textures. I'll leave the link down below. I changed the textures to soft light and with an opacity of 35%. I added this one with an opacity of 30% and vivid light. Let's bring the opacity to 100 so you can see the original one. Bring it back. Texture number 2. Let's hide these two, and texture number 3 with an opacity of 23% and linear dodge 100. Normal, this is the original texture, but I invert it. If I delete the invert, you can see it right here. This is how it looks like. Press undo to 23%, and this is basically how I made these effects and ended up having this design. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know down in the comments. I hope you like it. Consider like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.